Hello everyone. Today's lead code question is break a palindrome. Here basically what the question says is that it gives you input as a palindrome, like A, B, C, C, B, A is a palindrome, and a string we have to output which is not a palindrome such that we replace only one letter. See, now here if we replace the first letter A with B, C, D, anything, it won't be the lexicographically smallest string that we're returning. That is just like it has said, if we return ZBCCBA or anything like BBCCBA, all of them won't be lexicographically smallest than this palindrome, or basically it won't be the lexicographically smallest string that we are returning. So instead, if we change this B, that is instead of we have this palindrome right now ABCCBA, but if I change this second letter B and I make it ACCBA, then it's not a palindrome anymore, right? So this letter has been changed. Okay, let's go on to next example. A is a string. Now A is a string of only one length. Now string is a string of only one length, then it's of course a palindrome. But we cannot do anything to replace this. I mean, if I replace a single letter with B, C, D, all of them will be palindromes. So I don't have any other option. So the question says that in that case, I should return an empty string. So that is what the output will be. Now second palindrome is AA. Now see here, AA is the question is input given. Now if I replace this first letter A, anything I replace it with will be the bigger palindrome. Because if I do it BA, if I make it CADA, all of them are lexicographically larger than the given input string. Now if I go and change second A, even if I make it AB or AC or AD, they are still lexicographically bigger than the given input string. But from all the answers that we have, that is, what are our possible answers? Possible answers are BA, CA, DA, so on till ZA, or otherwise AB, AC, so on till AZ. Now these are our possible outputs because we cannot return an empty string. So out of these, AB is the smallest. So are you getting it? The thing here is that whenever we have all A's, or basically A in the answer which we have to change, we will always change the last letter of that string. I'll get to the code part so that it becomes clearer how the code works. So this is a C++ solution. Here first of all I have found out this length of this palindrome as n, and I have a string called result in which I stored this palindrome. I'm storing this whole string into result string because basically I just have to return this string palindrome with one letter replaced. So I stored it in res. Now if string length is 1, that is if it's A, just A or B or C, then every time I have to return an empty string because I cannot replace it with anything that will become lexicographically bigger. So I'm returning an empty string. Now we go about we iterate over the whole string. So let's check for this example, ABCCBA. So if I go for AACCBA, ABCCBA was my input string. So first of all, character CH in which I store palindrome I, and right now I is 0. So CH is equal to A, right? Then in the value I store CH minus A. So basically value is an integer which stores 0 because A minus A is 0. I'm keeping this value variable so that I can iterate from 0 to that value, so that I can change the resultant strings and check. I'll show. So right now while J is less than value, but J is also 0, J is just an iterator, and so this while loop won't work. So again we'll go to the next letter. Now next letter is here B. So now CH will become B and value will become B minus A in integer. So value is 1. Now J is less than 1. So res I changed to J plus 97. 97 is the ASCII value of small letter A. So res I, right now I is 1. So what was my res till now? It was ABCCBA. Now what am I doing? I'm changing this index 1 with J plus 97. J is right now 0. 0 plus 97 is 97, and character of 97 is ASCII value 97 is ASCII value of A, so if I convert 97 into character, it becomes A. So basically I'm replacing this with A. Now I will check if res I is not should not be equal to res n minus 1 minus I. Basically I'm just checking for palindromes, that is, if that is true, then we should not be returning that resultant string. And also I'm checking if that the particular resultant string is less than our given input, because the best possible answer that we can return is the lexicographically smaller string that we generate, which is even smaller than our given palindrome. If that is possible, then just return res. Otherwise I'll again change this res I equal to palindrome I, and I'll do j++ and we'll move ahead. Now let's check for another trick example, which is ABA. So let's go ahead. Again, so first of all in ch, a will be stored and value of val will be 0. So this while loop won't work. Now we'll go for next. Now next time ch will be b and while loop val will be 1. So while loop, we will go inside while loop, and here res1 will be changed. So till now my res was ABA. Now res1 I would be changed to AAA, because I only said that is what I will be doing. Now see, res I, that is res1 resultant 1, which is A, and n minus 1 minus I, n is 3 minus 1 2 minus 1, because I is 1 right now, so 1. So they are equal. Basically it's a odd length string, so it is still a palindrome. AAA is a palindrome, so I cannot return this resultant string. So I'll just do j++ and I'll go ahead. Now if I do j++, this while loop will come out of the while loop, and we'll go for will come out of the while loop, and we'll go for next. Now before going to next, what we need to take care is that this resultant string should not be AAA, it should again become ABA. So here, since this if condition didn't work, it will go into else condition and it will make res I equal to palindrome I. So it will again become ABA. Now we'll go and check, we'll again go in this for loop, and we'll change this ch is equal to A, and value will become 0. Now this while loop won't work. So what to do? Right now our res is ABA, and this is not the string we should return. But here is the twist, that whenever we get exactly the palindrome back, so in that case we just have to change the last letter. So what I'm doing is I'm only changing res n minus 1 to a letter which is greater than that particular letter. So in this case palindrome n minus 1 is A minus A will be 0, and 0 plus 98, that would be B. Int of 98 would be B. So this will become ABB. Now just consider some case that this is, suppose something like ABA, and there are many letters and the last letter is C. So what will happen is that if we traverse the whole loop till here and we get the same string again into res, we don't have anything else to return. In that case we just have to convert, we just have to replace this C with a letter bigger than it, D, because that would be the lexicographically smallest string possible. So that is what this last line does, and then we have a final return, final result, and we'll return that result. So let's run this code. So it's given proper answer. I'll submit it. It is accepted.